Check out the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. 512GB storage and 12GB RAM for unbeatable performance. Capture stunning photos with a 200-megapixel camera. Enjoy a 6.8-inch screen and the precision of the S Pen. And stay powered all day with long battery life. Want to see how it compares to other top smartphones? Don't forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel for the top comparison video coming soon. Thanks for watching. Want a phone that gives you top-notch features without costing a fortune? Say hello to the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Premium perks at an affordable price. Let's explore what makes it so special. 6.4-inch Super AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Full HD+. Sleek design with glass front and aluminum frame. It is powered by Exynos 1380, up to 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage. Triple cameras, 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, plus 32-megapixel selfie camera. 5000 mAh battery, 25-watt fast charging. Under-display fingerprint, stereo speakers, IP67 water resistant. Discover the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G today for premium features at mid-range price. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.